Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video for this month, and we're doing something really epic. This is the Sanctified Echo, and this is a design by East Coast Cord, Sean over there. And from what I understand too, I mean, you can clearly see that this is like the Covenant Sanctified by Makambet. So it's kind of like a expansion on that. It's almost like a Sanctified within a Sanctified, so a bit of a Sanctified inception there. And super wide and thick bracelet, so those of you that love that type of bracelet, this is for you. And also, you know, if you don't like super wide or thick bracelets, you can just make a shorter section of this, make like a keychain or something. It would look awesome like that too. Alright, so this is the exclusive tutorial, and for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to support this channel. And each month we do a exclusive tutorial as well as a giveaway. So for those of you supporting at the $3 level or more, you'll have access to this tutorial. And if you want all those details, you can check out my Patreon page link in this video, as well as down below. So also, if you know you don't have the means to support me on Patreon, or if you just don't want to, that's totally cool. You can check out East Coast Cord Sean's profile. He does have a picture tutorial for this on his page, of course. You can just go ahead and look at that and figure it out for yourself too. Alright, so that's what we're doing. I hope the Patreon supporters will like this. Huge thank you to you guys for your support. I really appreciate it. You guys are making a world of difference for me. And if you want to also get access to this, feel free to check out the links in the video as well as the description box down below. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the other side.